Water. Students, today we will know about water. About 3/4 part of the earth's surface is covered with water. We know that thing. And all the living things need water for living. Yes, students, without water we cannot live. Yes, you all know we can spend a day without eating a food, but without drinking a water for the whole day, no, we cannot survive without water. Now, students, we have some uses of water. Plants need water to grow and to make food. Animals and humans need water to drink, bath, and for other purposes. So, as you can see here, there are some many different purposes that where water is used, like drinking, washing clothes, washing dishes, bathing, cooking, brushing, mopping. For such activities we require water. Now, sources of water. From where we get this water? We get water from different water bodies like lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, and seas. Most of the water present in these water bodies come from rain. Yes, rain is the main source of water. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground. This water is known as groundwater. Yes, people use hand pumps and wells to draw ग्राउंड वाटर. आप लोगों ने कुआं देखा होगा, वेल देखा होगा, तो उस कुएं में पानी कहाँ से आता है? यस, वो ग्राउंड वाटर ही उस कुएं में होता है और वहाँ से हम पानी निकालते हैं. Now we have storing water. We always store water for our daily use. Yes or no, students? We fill our bucket. There are many ways to store water. Water needed for drinking and cooking can be stored in clean and closed containers like pot, bottles, and jugs. Water can be stored for other uses in drums, tanks, and buckets. This is the drum, tank, and this bucket. Next, we have drinking water. Drinking dirty water from lakes, rivers, ponds and well can make us fall sick. Yes, अगर हम drinking गंदा पानी पिएंगे तो what will happen? We will fall sick. Dirty water contains germs. जो गंदा पानी होता है उसमें germs होते हैं. That's why we cannot drink that dirty water. We should always boil and filter the water before drinking to make it clean and germ free. We can also use water purifier to clean water. Most of the people use purifiers, yes or no, to drink clean water. Now, saving water, student. As you know that water is very essential for us. We cannot survive without water, so we should save water. We should not waste water. Following are some ways of saving water, like close the tap while brushing your teeth or cleaning dishes. Yes. Next is close the tap after use. Once you have used the water, you should close the tap. Fix all the water leaking taps and pipes. जो भी आपके घर में लीकिंग हो रही है या फिर आपके कोई टैप खराब हो गया तो उसको तुरंत के तुरंत हमें रिपेयर कराना चाहिए, सो दैट जो हमारा पानी है वो वेस्ट ना हो. यूज़ बकेट इंस्टेड ऑफ शावर फॉर टेकिंग बाथ. जब हम नहाते हैं तो वी शुड नॉट यूज़ दिस शावर, बिकॉज जब हम शावर लेते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन, वो वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा वेस्ट होता है. बट व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द बकेट वी हैव दैट लिमिटेड वाटर एंड वी यूज़ दैट बकेट वाटर ओनली. नाउ कीपिंग वाटर क्लीन. हाउ टू क्लीन दिस water? We should not allow drainage to flow in rivers, lakes and ponds. We should not allow animals and people to take bath in water bodies like river, lakes. आपने देखा होगा ना किस तरीके से एनिमल्स और जो लोग होते हैं वो कैसे नहा रहे होते हैं नदियों में और लेक्स में. उससे क्या होता है, पानी गंदा होता है, बिकॉज वी यूज सोप, सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स वी यूज. तो उससे क्या होता है, पानी में केमिकल जाता है और पानी खराब होता है. We should not allow people to wash their clothes in water bodies. Again, हमें लोगों को जितने भी रिवर्स होते हैं, लेक्स होते हैं, इनके आसपास हमें क्लोथ्स भी वॉश नहीं करने चाहिए अगेन, क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द क्लोथ्स, वॉशिंग द क्लोथ्स, व्हाट वी डू, वी यूज washing powder, and that washing powder contains chemicals. We should not allow animals and people to pass urine and defecate, means removal of waste, solid waste from the body near water bodies. Now what happened, there are some people who go to pass urine, and even they go to defecate. So we should not allow these people and also animals. We should educate people about the importance of water. Yes, we should aware all the people about importance of water, because if water is very essential for us, very important, we cannot survive water. So we should save water as much as we can.